Hey Bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful and super thankful that you are joining in to do a happy planner unboxing with me today. So we got some new goodies in here that's super exciting to talk about, so I cannot wait to share them with you. So if you want to see what's inside, then you already know. Stay tuned. Bestie, so jumping right in, this box is a pretty nice size, but I'm just gonna slice it open and then I'm gonna try to get everything out of it and put it on the table. But I wanted to, because it's kind of high up, and I want to make sure you guys have a good vantage point to unbox this with me. Now here's the tea. I don't really know. I know kind of what's in here, but I don't know exactly what's in here. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know what it looks like, but I know what it's supposed to be. So I'm just super excited to be able to share it with you. It's some new products from the Happy Planner, and they are constantly coming out with something that, you know, we all be asking for. So, and then I feel like it's some extra stuff. So let me just get in. Okay, so we got our bubble wrap, and y'all, okay, we got some Disney. They put me some Disney in here. Well, thank you guys, because you know, oh wow, this is new. This is new. This is like, it has to be new. It's like a mega book of the Disney, the original Disney classic, I believe. That's what it looks like, just from the back. Like we're getting multiple of those stickers. So I'm not mad at it. This is nice. And honestly, this is a great gift option for like any Disney lover that is a planner babe and you just want to get like one sticker book. This right here would, because you have so many multiple sheets, I like that. Okay, so that's new, you guys. Even though it's the same stickers, it's new, like how they packaged it together. Okay, so this is interesting. Looks like we have like a Happy Notes. It says a notebook kit. I said I was gonna pull all this out. Hold on, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so it looks like this is a notebook kit, and it does come with a pen pouch, a little Mickey one, his silhouette, him and Minnie. And so, yes, it looks like it's just some lined paper. So that's also like a little bundle that I don't think we've seen this before, where they've kind of bundled the pen pouch with the notebook. So that's also probably a great gift option too. Maybe if you even like package these together, that would be nice for someone. Y'all, I love giving gifts, so just in case you didn't know. All right, so here are some samples for the new Happy Home wallpaper. So that's exciting. Oh my gosh, they have so many different ones, y'all. And I'm just excited to see what all people do with these, because I feel like, of course, we can put them in our craft room and like even in our bedroom and stuff. And I remember like when they first promoted these, I think Stephanie did it in her laundry room, like that navy blue. Oh, that's classy. That is classy, you guys. That is pretty. Okay, and then we got some blue here, just very neutral tones too, that I think would look great in different spaces throughout the home. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, I'm excited to see what I can do with some wallpaper, because I've been wanting to test it out. Okay, so then I have, oh wow, this is a big size. Is this a notepad or is this just filler paper? This is just filler paper. This is awesome. And I'm gonna tell you why I say this is awesome. I know it's just a pack of paper, you guys, but I'm so appreciative of it because I really have been contemplating on whether or not I want to switch to a big for a couple of things, a couple of areas. Maybe not both, but a couple of areas I'm considering it. So, and one of my hiccups was I don't have a lot of big filler paper that's kind of plain. So I was like, look at them knowing what I need when I need it. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm super excited for. But before we get into that, because I want to talk about all of them at the same time, I'm going to actually share with you a couple of other Disney And these are vertical layout Disney planners. They are 12 months. And this yellow one, that yellow pops. It is a vertical layout, like I said, and both of them are. So once again, great gift options. So they are re-releasing some of the favorites for 2022. Okay, so here is the new product that I have to talk to you guys about. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so first up, the Happy Planner is releasing a line called Happy Plans and Notes. And it's so nice because these are not technically your traditional Happy Planner of what we've seen in the past, you guys. And I know that everything is a mess, but we're going to get into it. One key note difference is the discs, they do not have hearts, but these are plastic discs. And what I love about it is this frosted cover. Can we talk about it? Okay, I'm loving the aesthetic of it. So that's making me super exciting. And this one looks like it's from the Neutral Farmhouse collection. So it's gonna be reminiscent of that theme. And then it looks like, I'm just gonna flip through it because we're talking about it. It does have like a white page. So not necessarily a page for your name, but I mean, this could be kind of whatever you want it to be if you want to decorate it, or you can just keep it plain to keep the inside nice and clean. And then we do get some stickers. And what I'll do is I'll flip through this, but it's not technically a planner per se, like with a layout inside. It's more so like it does come with a calendar, and it does have like, you know, your year at a glance. You do get that, but it also gives you like some journaling type, you know, happy notes pages. So I'm really feeling this whole idea. I love the dividers, and they are like this plasticky divider that comes on the inside. I love this neutral. Oh my gosh, this is everything, okay? This is everything. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. And we get that paper in the back. So here is a classic sized one. And then I also have this black and gold one. Wow. I'm loving it. It's vintage floral. And y'all, oh, I might need another one of these, both of them, because they're neutral. And these dividers, oh my goodness, I feel like there's so many different things you can do with this. Like, if you don't need a traditional planner, you guys, with a layout, there's so many ways that this would be beneficial. But you just might need a monthly calendar, like, oh my gosh, and just want to keep lists. That's a great option. Then they also sent over a couple of big options. Happy Planner, y'all are the best. Thank you so much. I'm just so grateful, like, seriously. Okay, before I get, okay, so we have the Blush Waves collection, and this one says do more of what makes you happy. Y'all, I really want to know, like, should we flip through this? Like, look at these. This is what's giving, okay? Like, this plastic, it's like it's flexible. And for a lot of reasons, I like that, because if I wanted to put it in a bag or whatever, I don't have to worry about, sometimes I'd be worried about creasing and stuff, but being that this is flexible, I feel like it won't do that. So this is so nice that they gave us these options, and there's more than no paper. Like, yeah, I'm like leaning towards it. Oh, y'all, look at this one. It says Bold and Brave. I love the gold foiling detail on it. Oh, okay. This is beautiful. It really is. So something I want to point out, it says made for the planner who loves to write notes and make to-do lists. So honestly, what I'm getting from these is that you can definitely do that, but you can also use it like a journal even. Like, I just think there's so many different ways. But y'all, look at these neutrals. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to test this out, and I cannot wait to hear you guys' thoughts on them. So just going back through what's in this box, we have this one, we have this one of the new collection from Plans and Notes, Happy Plans and Notes, and then we have this one as well as this one. And then we also did get some filler paper, and I'm assuming, yes, It's from the Plans and Notes line as well, so that's nice. Now it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. So this is so nice, you guys. I'm just so grateful, and I cannot wait to see what everybody does. Then of course they re-release, it seems they will be re-releasing some new Disney products and bundling a few things for us, you know, all of our Disney lovers that were worried about their planners you know, going out, but they particularly loved one. Then of course this mega sticker book, it's big, actually it's a big pack, so that's nice. And then of course we got all of these beautiful, you know, wallpapers. So that's so exciting. I'm just so grateful and just super thankful to have these items. And I really want to know what you guys think of it all. Like, let me know below what your thoughts are, what you're feeling. How do you feel about the new Happy Plans and Notes line? Like, are you excited for some of the, you know, re-releases of Disney? Like, this is so nice, and I cannot wait to chat with you. Okay, Bestie, so we're gonna jump into these flip throughs. I decided to pull a classic version as well as a big version, so we'll flip through the big first. And as you can see, this one says do more of what makes you happy on the front cover. There is this frosted cover, and it has like these peach discs. And as you notice, the discs do not have hearts, which we're used to with the Happy Planner, but this system does not come with the hearts. So I absolutely love this frosted cover, you guys. And the inside cover does come with like this white sheet, but then on the inside of that, on the back side rather, it does have like a little design to it. This one is kind of navy blue. And then we get 6 pages of stickers, and this one in particular comes with a pink, navy blue, and yellow color palette, but depending on the planner that you pick up, they are kind of like complementary to the aesthetic of the actual planner, notebook. Happy Plans and Notes is what we're calling them. Okay, then we have a yearly overview page, which is perfect because you can use these pages to keep up with important dates, but also it can be a tracker system for the setup. And then I love that it has like a line page and then some dot grid, and with like the little 3 sections that we typically see on the currently page, y'all. So right before the monthly layout, so you could use it as a currently page even, or you can just make it like a monthly overview in general when you're like planning out the months and stuff. And like there's 12 undated months in this from what I can tell, and y'all, I like it. I like how clean it is too. And then of course you guys know how I feel about undated at this point. Like, you can use them whenever. Now this is my most favorite thing about this. When I pulled this out, I was like, yes, why don't they sell these in separate packs? Like, we need to start a petition and advocate for that, because I need more of these. Literally, like, these dividers are awesome. They are like a plastic, and they're very sturdy. Like, I like them a lot. Then you get tons of filler paper, just lined note paper. So I think the big version, honestly, is perfect for all of my students. Now, you can use the classic too, but like, I think of a student for this, like, because you can punch and add into this, add your different notes and stuff. I remember if I was in grad school back in the day and I had this system, this would have been amazing for that. So I'm feeling this system, y'all. And it's also great too, because I can see myself using this for like a work planner, maybe not planner necessarily, but like work meeting notes and things like that. If I want to document some things, like as far as on a calendar system, or you can use your calendars as trackers too. Like, there's just so many ways. So that's the big. And then to the classic, which I absolutely love. I mean, because I'm a classic lover in general. This one has white plastic disc, and it says never give up on your dreams in this very neutral color palette. And here's the inside of that little white page, and then here are the stickers, y'all. So this one has some green, kind of like a nude, and then I want to say this is orange, but it's more so probably, I don't know what color orange that is, but it's a shade of orange. And so I thought that was nice. And then we get our like blank pages, note pages, dot grid pages. Then here's our year at a glance in the classic version. Just so clean, y'all. Like, I'm actually kind of getting excited to use these pages with them being, you know, less, I guess, decorative, because I can decorate them. And then here's our note pages in between the monthlies. yeah, y'all, there's so many ways we can use this. I'm just excited to see what people do with this. In general, you can use this in your home as well. You can make a home planner out of this. You can also, like, another thought process too, punch some of your home documents and stuff in your Happy Planner system. If you want to keep up with like appointments and stuff, like if you go to the doctor, if you're like on a wellness journey, I guess you could say, and you're working on your health and stuff, this would be a great setup for that, because you can notate and journal how you feel throughout the day and not necessarily be confined to a weekly planner, I guess you could say. This would be awesome. And y'all, look at these dividers. They are nude, okay? Come on. Comment below if you need some more of these dividers too. I'm just saying, I know my besties feel me on that. I know y'all do. And then here's all of that filler paper that we cannot get enough of. If you are like me, you have filler paper everywhere. I love filler paper. And so here's the inside of that frosted cover, y'all. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. I just love this. I love that they did this. I love that our Happy Planner and our Happy Notes have combined and made this beautiful thing called Happy Planner, Happy Plans and Notes. This is awesome. So yes, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for checking it out and for being so sweet and so kind. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Check out my description box because these are now available on Amazon, and I got some links down there for you to check them out, and definitely encourage you to pick you up one, especially going into the new year. So yeah, thank you all again for being so sweet and so kind, and until next time, I love you. Bye.